Hey guys, Dave here on the Trucker Pass channel here in Racine, Virginia at White's Truck Stop doing a review. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel or check us out on our website at www.trucker-pass.com. Caribou Coffee, probably the best part about this truck stop. You can see they call it the Johnson's Corner Cinnamon Buns. That looks pretty cool. Caribou Coffee. Let's give it a shot. place is by far the Caribou Coffee. This place is really, really awesome. And if one cup isn't good enough for you, you can get it to go in a box, apparently. It's even got a little holder back here for some cups. You can see here where the old sign sits underneath the new sign. A lot of history here at White's Truck Stop. You can see all the reserved spots here. You got both sides, and there are also more reserved spots around on the back side, or I guess technically the front side. If you need a truck wash, there is a blue beacon. You can see there's no end to this lot. Here's the shop area. You can see it's a pretty large facility. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to keep up with more videos like this, make sure you remember to hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell. And we'll see you next time on the Trucker Pass channel.